Hi friends, it's Donzella from Miss Donzella Cooks. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today, friends. I just wanted to share with you a simple tailgate chili. Since football season is upon us, and if you have a group to feed or um, want something hearty for your tailgating, or just to sit back and watch your favorite football team win their game, this is a simple, very, very quick chili. In this pot, I have some ground turkey, onions, peppers. You can use ground beef, and I've browned this up in some olive oil. And then to this, I'm going to add 1 can of pork and beans. I do not use kidney beans. I'm just using pork and beans because I like the savory sweet sauce that it has. So we're going to add that. Then I'm going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes. And then to this, I'm going to add 1 can of chicken broth. And then I will add my garlic powder. We're going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add a little bit of my complete seasoning. My label is kind of messed up, but this is my complete seasoning. We'll add a little bit of that in here. I'm also going to add some Mrs. Dash taco seasoning. And you'll notice I'm not adding any salt to this. I'm also going to add a little bit of Mrs. Dash chipotle seasoning. Now this is has a little heat to it, but it's really very good. And we'll add that Tex-Mex flavor to it. And we're going to add some Mrs. Dash table blend. If you don't have the seasonings that I use, the Mrs. Dash taco seasoning or Southwest chipotle seasoning, get yourself just a pack of chili seasoning. It has all the seasonings in it that you need for this particular chili. So we're going to stir all this up. And you want to let this simmer probably about a half hour. Let the flavors all blend together. And I'm also going to add just a little bit of tomato paste. Just some regular tomato paste. We'll just add a little bit of that in here. I'm going to turn my heat up to get this started to a boil. Flavor is good. It's not too spicy. And you get the sweetness from the pork and beans versus the canned not cannellini beans, pinto beans, or kidney beans. Kidney beans, I just don't care for them very much. They're a little bit heavy for me. I like my chili a little light, a little savory, with a little sweetness to it. And friends, like I said, you want to bring this to a boil and let it simmer for about a half hour. And this is what all our ingredients look like. So all we have is some seasoned, you can use ground beef or ground turkey. I use ground turkey, onions, peppers, garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning, 1 can of pork and beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 1 can of chicken broth. And let this simmer down, and you will have a delicious, really quick and simple chili that will feed a family, a group, while you're watching your favorite team play. And like I said, football season is upon us, and what's better for a good tailgate or a good just a group gathering to watch your favorite team play other than a pot of chili. You can also make this in your crock pot and let it simmer. Put it on for 4 to 6 hours, and all those flavors really marry together. So, friends, I'm going to let this cook down, and I will be making another video to show you the finished dish after this is done. But for now, this is how you put a simple, very quick, easy tailgate chili together. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. I'm really happy to have you join me in my kitchen for more videos that are budget-friendly videos or heart-healthy videos, low-sodium videos. Check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join me in my kitchen every time I prepare a simple dish. And I try to keep this is totally home cooking, real cooking, and budget-friendly cooking. Again, friends, thank you, and I hope you have a very, very blessed day.